Hello again, TankScan fans. In this video, we'll show you how to pull up trends for your tank monitors. All you need is a view privilege or login to be able to do this. And then two, from this Tanks grid page, we're just going to go down and expand into one of our monitors by selecting this rotating triangle. So when we expand in here, we go to our reading keys that are shown here. If I want to look at the percent full, I select the trend icon, and there is the 30-day trend of my red diesel. And this yellow line is the alert. It's yellow, meaning it's for minor, is the alert, low alert for this monitor. If I want to add additional trends to this view, I can add a battery trend, for example. I can add a temperature trend. I can also zoom back farther in time, or I can zoom in shorter in time. And I can also set a date to help look exactly where I want to see the 7 days. So if I go in and just enter that value, you can see this was the 7 days previous. So that is all there is to using trends in TankScan. And as always, please feel free to join us for more and other videos.